Hello friends, welcome back to HSA English classes. Today we are going to learn the poem This is a Photograph of Me by Margaret Atwood. Previous year question from this poem: what does the light stand for in the photograph in Atwood's poem? Answer is creativity of the woman. This is a photograph of me is the first poem of Margaret Atwood's poetry collection, The Circle Game, published in 1964. This piece centers on a photograph of a child who has drawn in a lake. The poem is written in free verse. This is a lyric poem. The most important themes are death, appearance versus reality, innocence, the transience of life, and disappointment. Atwood uses nature in this poem to symbolize the power that the male gender have over women today. Now let us learn the summary of the poem. The poem begins with the description of a photograph. The speaker seems to be a child. The photograph was taken a few years ago. Atwood uses the epithets such as blurred and grey to help readers imagine the appearance of the photo. In the left corner of the photograph, there is a thing appearing like a branch of a tree. The speaker's reference to her family tree. The branch can be of balsam or spruce, and on the right side there is a small house. In the background of the photograph, there is a lake, and beyond it, there are some low hills. It was taken the day after she drowned. The speaker is not in the photograph, she is in the lake. The reason for the haziness or blurry effect in that photo is stated as it is taken from outside. The light reflected on the surface of water creates haziness. The poet is talking about the childish self of a person. One matures, the self starts submerging into the unseen depths of subconscious mind. Now let us learn the literary devices used in this poem. Simile: a thing that is like a branch, part of a tree. Child compares herself to a branch of a tree. Metaphor: of the picture just under the surface. The speaker is hinting at the subconscious mind and the mental picture of her. Symbolism and imagery used in this poem. Here, photograph stands for her history, light stands for her creativity, right hand side frame house stands for male, and left hand side branches stands for female, and the lake stands for society. The concept of patriarchy. In patriarchy, males are creating women's stories. It ignores the contribution of female. Women are taken forward in domestic roles, but in the social roles, male come ahead. Thank you.